Today, I'll show you how to log out of TeamViewer, whether you're using a shared computer, wrapping up work for the day, or just want to make sure your account stays secure. Logging out properly is a simple but important habit. In this walkthrough, we'll go step by step through the process so you know exactly where to click and what to look for. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Safari, or whichever browser you usually use. In the address bar at the top of the window, type in teamviewer.com and press enter. This will take you to the official TeamViewer website. It's always a good idea to check that the address is spelled correctly and that you're on the real site, especially when you're dealing with an account that you use for remote access. Once the TeamViewer homepage has loaded, make sure you're actually signed in. If you're already logged into your account, you'll typically see some kind of profile icon or account symbol toward the top right corner of the page. This might look like a small person silhouette, an initial, or a circle with your profile image. If you don't see any profile icon and instead see a login or sign in button, that means you're not currently logged in on this browser and there's nothing to log out of here. Assuming you are signed in, move your mouse to the top right area of the page and look for that profile icon. It's usually grouped with other account-related options and it sits on the main navigation bar. Once you've found it, click on the profile icon. When you click it, a small drop-down menu or panel should appear. This is where TeamViewer places links to your account settings, profile details, and the option to log out. Take a moment to look over the options in this drop-down. You'll see different items that might include your account details, settings, or links to other parts of the TeamViewer service. Among these options, look for the one labeled Log Out or Sign Out. The wording might vary slightly depending on your region or any interface updates, but it will clearly indicate that it will end your current session. Once you've located the Logout option in the menu, click on it. After you click, the site will process your request and sign you out of your TeamViewer account in that browser. You may see the page refresh or be redirected back to the main homepage or a generic landing page. A good way to confirm that you've successfully logged out is to look back to the top right corner of the page. Instead of your profile icon, you should now see a login or sign in button again. If you use TeamViewer on multiple browsers or devices, remember that logging out on one browser doesn't automatically log you out everywhere. For added security, especially on shared or public computers, repeat this process on each browser or device where you've signed in, and that's all there is to it. You've learned how to log out of TeamViewer from the website by going to teamviewer.com, clicking the profile icon at the top right, and selecting the logout option from the drop-down menu.